Hey guys, what's up? My name is Brittany and I just bought something really cool I want to share with you guys because I have a buying problem. It is called the Embr Wave Wristband and it's a wearable device that you can control your own body temperature. So whether you want to cool down or warm up, you just push a button and boom, there you go. So if I hit this button down here, boom, 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 you see it's like red, that means I am and it's sending this really nice sensation throughout my wrist, throughout my body, and it's making me feel a lot more warmer and more comfortable. And if I hit the button that goes up, boom, 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 I can instantly feel the change in temperature on my wrist going from red to blue and cooling my wrist off to cool my entire body off. It works by sitting on your wrist, which stimulates the temperature nerves in your body. It's like very refreshing. It's very crisp. It's very like, oh, what was that? Like it's a very cooling sensation. I'm gonna crank it up a little bit more. Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like someone is pouring cold water on your wrist. When I push the down button to warm it up, my wrist just instantly warms and you can just feel it. It's like drinking hot tea and you can feel the warmth just go all throughout your chest and it's like no other feeling like that. Because I'm smaller, in my opinion, I'm always cold. And the funny thing is, I just finished watching Deon Cole's stand-up comedy on Netflix where he talks about skinny girls and how he don't really like dating them because they're always cold. They got tons of blankets, they take tons of naps, they have sinus problems, and they have iron deficiencies. So yeah, I am in that club. But this right here is definitely going to solve that problem. So it's not a constant temperature. It comes and goes in waves, and that's probably why it's called the Embr Wave. Cold. And it'll go cold, and it'll stop, and it go. Not only you can control the device that's on your wrist, you can control it using the mobile app that it comes with. So as you see right here, it's on the warming section, but if I want to take it a step further and go warmer, uh-oh, that's cold, wrong way. But as you see, let's see, here we go, other way, and this way. Boom. Right now, what it's doing, it's increasing my body temperature to 12 degrees higher than what my body temperature is right now, which is amazing. And I can just see the temperature change on the mobile app at what temperature is actually changing my body. So if I want to go hotter, I can, or if I want to go cooler, I most certainly can as well. Oh boy, here we go, come on. So boom, if I want to take it down a notch and just only bring it up to 7 degrees, that's my option as well. Then you also have these really cool different modes here. Let's see if I can get that, where you can have different types of settings where you want to do quick or extended or sleep mode, or you want to customize it. You have those really cool options where you can just have it all right there at the touch of a button. I think that's really awesome. You're also able to see your battery consumption and how long you've been wearing the device. They say it takes a while for your body to get acclimated, but I feel like my body is definitely adjusting to this device very quickly because it definitely works. I've tested it on the streets of Miami, walking my dog today. We walked for about a good 15 minutes. I had the Embr Wave on the cool setting and it kept me nice and cool. And then once I got inside my apartment, I was very hot. So I wanted to test it out to see if the heating section worked. So I turned my AC up all the way to 70 degrees. I mean, to the point where it's freezing in my apartment. I have goosebumps on. And then I put the Embr Wave back on and I put it on the warm section. So I'm gonna take it back down to warm so you guys can see the color change in that. So back down to red because obviously red is warm, and instantly I just felt so much warmer within like 3 to 5 minutes. That's how long it pretty much takes to get you there. You're supposed to wear the device an inch below your hand, so I think that's a good inch between my hand and my wrist, or my hand and my device. It's not supposed to be too tight on your wrist. It is magnetic, so anyone can pretty much wear it. Very easy to put on, very easy to take off. The Embr Wave is fully USB chargeable, so it comes with a USB cord, and it takes about a good hour and a half to 2 hours to put on a full charge. And you know it's fully charged when the green light is a constant green light, and you know it's charging when the light is flickering green. The wristband is very light. It's not heavy at all. I barely feel it on my wrist as far as weight goes, but I do feel it on my wrist just because it's on the most sensitive part of my skin. Quite fashionable. You can't really see it on the forearm part, but once you get onto the inside, then definitely you can tell there's something there. Kind of looks like a house arrest watch in my opinion. Not the most concealable device, but it does keep you warm, especially if you are going to a restaurant and it's freezing, or you're going to an event and they have the AC blasting and you forgot your jacket or something like that. It's definitely not cheap. It was around $300. As a traveler, it's definitely worth it, especially if I don't have enough space in my luggage where I can't pack this many coats or that many coats, or if I can't find a jacket to keep me warm at a really nice restaurant, I can just place this in my bag and just keep this on at the table. Overall, I'm really enjoying the Embr Wave. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's doing exactly what it says it's gonna do, and it gives you control over your body temperature. I don't know any other device that does that other than an electric blanket, but this is very innovative. It's very cool. It's a conversation piece, and I cannot wait to start using it throughout my travels. You know, and actually, as I'm recording this, I have it on the blue setting, which is supposed to be the cool setting, right? But I'm touching it, I'm touching this part, and it's warm. So that's my biggest concern is, will this leave a mark on my wrist because of the different temperatures that are going on? Other wearable devices have left like square or rectangular marks on, you know, the skin. So this is a bigger device, so that is my main concern. But other than that, I mean, I guess I'm not gonna be wearing it 24/7, but that's really interesting. So this is hot. Oh, it's not that hot because I'm touching it. This is warm, but the other side is cool like a pillow. My wrist is nice and cool. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, that's the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching my review on the Embr Wave. And stay tuned because I have more videos on the way, because I buy a lot of stuff I don't need, and sometimes I actually do need this stuff and it's very helpful to my life. So I cannot wait to share all the other things that I impulsively buy offline and on Amazon. So again, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.